Hi everyone! Masaya ka rin na? Saya ada special activity sa ni Lukis because today we're going to make... I just transformed myself into a doraemon! Okay, it's not a mask. It's a notepad. So you can put things that you wanted to buy, things that you will be doing, and then things that you wanted to rant about. So let's do this very easy activity. If you know your shapes, then you'll be able to make this. So let's grab our art materials and do this 1979 cartoon, Doraemon.
Okay, let's do something cute then. Grab a blue paper, fold it into two, and then get anything that is circular. Same goes with the white one that is medium, and then two small circles that is white again, and a minuscule red circle. And then grab your marker, just do the outline. So that's for the eyes. And then, last one, the nose. And glue everything in place. Make sure that you have glued it on the right side, okay? That you'd be able to open it. And then when you open it, it would look like an 8. Okay, just continue with gluing it. And put the nose. And then get your marker again. And let's put the eyeballs. So that's just like an egg. With just that. And then some whiskers. Easy, right? Okay. And then grab pieces of paper, like documents that you don't need, fold it into two. Same procedure what we did with the blue paper. And then you have to cut it, and let's make some notepad. There you have it. And next is to staple it. And ta-da! We have a cute Doraemon Tinkler. Then we can put, things that we wanted to do, things that we wanted to buy. In here, I'm gonna be a little bit conservative. I'm just gonna put like things that I needed to buy from the groceries. But in reality, yes, I want to get more shoes for this video. And yes, we can also put the things that we wanted to do in this tinkler. You could basically put whatever law. Or if you want to rant and not be cute, you can also put it in here. But anyway, I hope you do enjoy doing this. And let me know if you do have any requests. But for now, let's be cute and be Doraemon. Or whatever.